Who shut this boo-boo-boo?
Plumbing's our gang. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventures and remarkable feats.
Wow, Vince, your cabin is way nicer on the inside. I must say I'm impressed.
Oh yes, much better. Let's go get some Burger King in the morning. Sound good, mate?
Whatever you say, Vince.
Good. Now sleep on the couch.
I said hooked on the brothers, the brothers, the brothers, the brothers, the brothers.
Hello, welcome to Burger King. What can I get you?
Yes, I would like a bacon burger with no mayonnaise.
Well, what about the astronaut? What does he want?
Sorry, mate, my old pal here is a bit shy. He's kinda new around here. Yes, he would like your Whopper. God, this place is fucking disgusting and filthy. Only rats would call this place a royal palace. Yuck!
So about the tree, how did it get me here? Is it some kind of hole in the universe that hasn't been patched up yet? What should we name it?
Mystery portal tree, MPT, but let's finish our food and then investigate it later, okay?
Hello customers, here is your delicious meal, brought to you by the chefs at Burger King.
Whoa, what the hell?
No.
Ouchies my head.
Wow, this is super weird.
Master Hello Neighbor, I told you. That using that shortcut was a bad idea, but oh, you don't listen to your slave, even when he's right?
Oh, shut your fucking mouth, Xeno Kermit.
Who are you guys, and where, and how did you get here?
My name is Xeno Kermit. I come from a species of alien frogs.
My name is Hello Neighbor. I live in a regular house and I have stuff to hide in my basement. I also have fought this alien frog in the past.
You weird perverted man, I have never even seen you before. I was just minding my own business, and then you kidnapped me.
Oops, the hypnotizing is wearing off.
Oh, I love you so much, Hello Neighbor. Oh, please let me suck your cock. Oh, please.
Okay, if you would please stop being weird and explain what the hell happened with you guys so I can better understand why the frog alien wants to suck your penis.
I think I'd like to go for a drive.
Time to retrieve my Xeno slave Kermit.
Drinks on me, fellas. What?
Time to take off my disguise. Xeno Kermit, wake up.
Who are you?
Tell me where your ship is.
Follow me, stranger.
My name is Hello Neighbor. What a cool suit. Oh my god, I feel so badass.
Why are we taking off?
Get over Xeno Kermit. I need to teach you something.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you spanking me?
Will you disobey me?
Yay. Ow, ow, ow. IT burns. No, I won't disobey you, my master.
Very good, slave. Very good. Now teach me how to fly this ship.
Master Hello Neighbor. Going through this wormhole might be a bad idea.
Shut your mouth.
And that's what happened.
Okay, guys, we can definitely help. I know a guy who knows a guy who knows another guy that knows of a guy who can help us find out what this tree is about. Okay, we're here.
Theory Shack. Is this some kind of joke? This stuff sounds dumb.
No, don't underestimate him. Hello, neighbor. His name is MatPat, and he is the master theorist. He has solved every conspiracy in our world. Just our world. He might just be a dude in your world.
Hello, fellow theorists. What theory do you need assistance with?
Hey, Charlie, you haven't talked in a long time. Why don't you explain it to the nice man?
Yes, Mr. Pat. We have found a weird portal in the universe. It is in a tree by the road. It's really strange. I was on Mars and tried to teleport back home but ended up in this universe. This portal is growing bigger. More things are coming through it like this. Mustache Spaceman and this alien.
Very interesting. Let's take a look at this portal of yours. Oh my god, this is crazy. A futuristic Tokyo universe and some guy with a suit doing a Sigma walk.
Huh? You stupid Nick!
You've had a wish-making device this whole time? You fucking dumbass. Gimme that. I wish all portals across universes would close, and I want to know the reason they exist. Oh my god. Is that the portal from Rick and Morty?
What the fuck?
Nitrogen monoxide.
Who are you?